Hey there, Sandy here with just a little PSA for you. In case you didn't know, I have an email newsletter that you might want to subscribe to if you haven't already. Why would you want to subscribe to my newsletter? Well, first of all, instead of relying on YouTube, who isn't all that reliable, for notifications whenever I post a new video, those who are subscribed will get an email with links to the video, the supplies, and extra info about the video projects. Read things I thought of after I made the video. You also get notifications about new classes I publish, sometimes with coupon codes. Advance notice about upcoming events, and sometimes I just send out a newsy email with a bunch of creative stuff I found on the interwebs. Also, I just added a freebie for newsletter subscribers. It's a little PDF class about making polymer clay charms. By the way, if you are already a subscriber to my newsletter, no worries. I will be sending that PDF out to everybody on the list in the next few days. Thanks for taking the time to watch. You will find the link to subscribe in the upper right or down in the description box. I'll be back soon with a new tutorial for you. Happy creating!